Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick shout out to the Lost Title guy for helping me use the Lost Title kit. Of course, I was really skeptical at first, because especially giving out important information. But here's what happened, okay? So I saw a car that I wanted to get, and I called the guy, and I asked him if he had all the paperwork. He says, yep, absolutely. I got a whole folder here. So I said, okay, Saturday, I pick up somebody to help me bring the car back, and drove 2.5 hours away. And it was the car, everything, looked great on the car. And then I get the folder, and it's a bill of sale and some other sheets of paper, no title. I'm like, oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. So I'm panicked, and I just drove 2.5 hours and I really want this car. So he said, look, it's got to be somewhere. If it's not here, it's in my safe deposit box at the bank, okay? So I took him at his word, and I said, okay, mail it to me as soon as possible. So, we leave, and I call him. There's no answer. He disconnects his phone, and never hear from him again, and now I'm in a bind. So I'm looking to find out what to do. And so I contacted the Lost Title guy, right? And he talked to me about the Lost Title kit and how you can claim ownership and the state will give you a title. Well, I was in a bind, so I said, okay, I'll do it. And so I got the kit, filled out the information, got in contact with what I needed to, and I got ownership of the vehicle, and they're sending me a state title. So if you're in a bind like that, I definitely contact the Lost Title guy, ask him some questions, and then check out the kit, the Lost Title kit, okay? If you need peace of mind, that's the way to do it, because you definitely need to get your vehicle on the road. So anyway, I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you soon.